Today is another episode in my continuing saga of attempting to solve first world problems using technology. Today's first world problem is I was getting so goddamn tired of having to plug in my phone to charge it. So I went ahead and got myself a Qi charger. It's the future. I should be able to do it wirelessly. I mean, Tesla came up with this idea, like 100 years ago? Well, so it turns out that my Nexus 4 has Qi charging built into it. And so I went ahead and bought a Qi charger from eBay. Because they are Chinese knockoffs, this one is by a company called Q9, or I believe that's also the model of the item. There's a fair bit of English on it as well. For example, it says QI compliance, or Qi compliance rather than compliant. On the back it says product advantages. All you have to do is one word, put the charging machine with Qi mark in the charging area, then it will start to charging persistently. Attention, on safety, please do obey them. Danger, do not decompose or remold. Caution, do not put it into water or other liquid or make it wet. Attention when you pull the product out. When you take the product from the box, you should follow these steps as below. 1. Open the seal at the top, then open those two overlapping curling parts. 2. Hold the overlapping parts when you take the inside package box out. The product may fall to the ground, so you should hold the picture side upward when take the inside box out. So I am looking forward to following those instructions and taking the items out. Carefully, picture side up. And here it is. It's actually, in my opinion, it's slim, it's thin, it's all white, it's got attractive curves. I actually think it looks quite good. It seems like though it is plastic, it doesn't feel too cheap in my hands, which is kind of nice. I mean, I can't really even make out the seams and the sides. It feels like a well-built product. I mean, we'll see how long it actually lasts, but it's at least designed well. We've also got a charger here, not a charger, a power adapter here. And now it turned out that this item was actually got the round pins that you get in Asia and in Europe. So I had to go to a dollar store and just buy one with the flat pins that you use in North America. Not a big deal, it was like $1.25, but it was a bit frustrating because I did buy it from ebay.ca, so you would have thought that, if you're selling it in North America, that you would actually ship with the charger for North America. So let's fire it up. When it's in operation, when it's getting power, it actually has I thought it was a yellow LED, but it turns out it was a green LED. And so let's go ahead and try putting my phone on it. Oh, there it is. You sometimes have to move it around a bit to figure out exactly when it's working. So the beep tells me it's working. There's a small blue LED that shows up next to the green one when your phone is actually on it. This green LED, I assume it's green, at the bottom of my phone tells me it's charging. And if I go into the battery settings when it's charging, and it says charging wireless. So welcome to the future. The Hulk would have to eat something like 500 shawarmas a day to be able to fulfill the metabolic needs of the Hulk. Well, Bruce Banner would have to eat that much. It's never really been very clear how the Hulk gets his energy. Well, he's green, so maybe it's chlorophyll, and he's like a plant and gets it from the sun.